In this video, we will see how we can check the papers. For that, you have to open the Microsoft Edge and then open your Outlook account. You can type Office 365 or you can write office.com. After that, click on the Office 365 login link and then your account will be open. If you have not logged in earlier, then it will ask you that you have to sign in first. After that, go to in the click on the Outlook app and then you can open the papers. Either you have saved in your inbox or in some another label. Just open the paper which you want to check it. Just click on that name and then click on the download option. Within few seconds it will download in your system and then you can click on open file. It will open in the Microsoft Edge environment. Suppose after that if you want to check it, for that I just want to check this paper, click on this option draw and then click on the red color and then increase the thickness if you want to increase the thickness, otherwise your choice. You can give up marks. Suppose this is 1 mark, then you can check this is how many marks this question. Accordingly you can check. If something is not correct, then you can specify that this is not correct, or you can write this is row option. In this way you can just check the paper the way you want. And after that, once you check the paper, you have given the marks and then you just have to click here. Either you can click on the save option, it will save the same location where you have downloaded this paper. I'm just saving it the same location. By default it will save in the download folder in your computer. After that, just click on the download folder, open the my PC and download folder and you can just check it. In this way you can see that how if you have checked the paper, we have checked. Now you can see that whatsoever you have specified, it has been checked. After that, just go to the mail again where you have downloaded it and then if you want to reply it same time, then you can click on the reply and then attach the file. Browse this computer. If you want to forward all the papers later on, then you can save all the folders in your computer also. Then click here, click on open and then attach as a copy. Just click here and then click on the send button. The paper will be sent to that student. If you don't want to send it, then you can click on the discard. Sometimes if you want to send later, then you can click on the send later option and then specify the time also when you want to send that thing. You can specify the date also. You can select the time also. On that particular day, on that particular time, it will be sent to that particular student. In this way you can do it. In this, there is another way also, that after once you have checked all the papers, this is the easiest method to send all. Check the paper and then you can upload the paper to the same student. If you want to save all the checked paper in your system, then you can check it also. Otherwise you can again go back to the same where all the apps are showing to you, then go to the SharePoint option. If you want to upload all the checked paper in your OneDrive, then you can check here also. Sorry, not in SharePoint. You have to go to the OneDrive option. Here you can create a new folder where you want to. Suppose here I'm just check the paper. After checking the paper, I just want to free my computer from all the check paper, and I just want to upload here, and then click on the upload file here, and here you can upload the check paper here. Then your computer space will be free. It will take few seconds to upload here. Now in this way you can check all the paper. You can open the check paper anytime, because this paper contain. Now you can see the paper which I have checked here. You can see. So in this way, after checking all the paper, you can upload all the papers, and then you can send it to your students also later on. Here it is specified share. Then you can share and specify the name of that student to whom you want to forward it. So automatically, just you have to click the name of that student to whom you want to send it, and then you can send it. So after checking, you can upload all the papers here. I hope this concept will be clear to you. Thank you.